Hello, good evening, sir. My name is Christian Hedreda, and I'm here to execute um, the Windows shortcut keys. I will do this by doing all of the given instruction by you. And so let's get started. The first instruction is making the fifth word of the document bold. So we say this is this is um, the word file that I have. So we go to the fifth word by simply holding the control button and then right arrow button, and then lastly right arrow button. Off the word off is our fifth word, so we highlight that word by simply pressing the control, holding control, shift, and then right arrow. Um, After this, we have to make this bold. So again, we have to hold control and then B, the letter B, and there it is. And after making the fifth word, bold, I have to go back to the first line of the document. So we do this by holding control and then left, 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 left until we reach the first word. The third instruction is we have to make all of these texts italic. So we do that by holding the control, holding, and then click the A, and then hold the control button again, and then I. And all of the words are now italic. So the fourth instruction is we have to go to the end of the document. We simply do this by holding the control button again and then I find the button that says end and then click that control plus end, and we have reached the end of our document. The fifth instruction is we have to save this document. So we do that by holding control again and then plus S. There's the file name. So I want to rename this into like reading six space dash drafts in the govern government. Um, this is the location I want. So yeah, sure. And then save. Press tab until we reach the save. And then enter. The seventh instruction is we have to copy the selected document and pasting it to the one of the two folders. So I have to find the file location of this document. So I have to Alt Tab, and here it is. I think, yeah, reading six graphs in the government. So I have to copy this, and since I have another folder open, school, I have to paste it here by pressing, oh my god, A, I skipped a step. So after highlighting the reading six, you have to control plus C and then Alt Tab, press Alt plus Tab, and then I have reached the second folder. We have to press the control button again and then letter V. So here it is. It's here. Yeah, it's here. Um, the eighth instruction is we have to cut the selected document from the folder. You pasted it and pasting it to the other folder that doesn't have the document in it without using your mouse. So we cut this again. We do that by pressing the control, holding, and then press the letter X. So we have to find a folder that doesn't have this file in it. So Alt Tab and Sure, I paste it here. Sure. We do that by Control plus V, and here it is. See, it's in another folder. So we have to rename this now. We do that by pressing the F2 button. F2, what should I name this? Reading 6. Sure. And press enter after the F2 and then type the name that you want and then enter. The 10th document, the 10th instruction is we have to close the two folders without using the mouse. To click on the close button in the upper right of the window. So we have this folder or window open. We have to close it by simply holding the Alt button and then F4 and close this folder again, like simply doing Alt F4. And we are here in our Word document. Um, our 11th instruction is we have to go back to the document we were working on and saving it again. So we are here, so we have to Control plus S again. All right. Hold on. Yeah, we have to Control plus S, and I think it's save. Um, this 12 instruction is we have to close the document by also using the shortcut key. So again, we use Alt F4, Alt plus F4, and there it is. It's saved and it's closed. The 13th instruction is we have to open the Windows Task Manager. I think there's multiple ways on doing this. Um, Simply I do this by pressing Alt Control Delete. Um, I don't. Ayan, here. So we have tab, 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 and then press enter. And yeah, here it is. So there's another way to open the task manager by simply doing Control, Shift, and then Escape. And here it is again, the task manager. So we have to close the Windows Task Manager by simply doing Alt F4 again, then Alt plus F4. And it's closed. We have to open the Start menu. We do this if you see the window button, the Windows logo, you have to click that, and there's the Windows button. The Start menu. I mean, we have opened the Start menu by simply clicking the Windows logo. I think that's it, sir. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening, and thank you again.